Now there will be questions in binomial series where we need to use integration also. Say for example, question is C1 upon C0 upon 1, C1 upon 2, C3 upon 3 and Cn upon n plus 1. So what I know is, if I write the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n, then I'll get C0, C1x, C2x square and then Cn and x to the power n. Now in this case, if I integrate C0, then I'll get C0 into x. If I'll integrate this one, C1 into x square by 2. So I'll get C1 by 2 into x square. If I'll integrate x square, I'll get x cube by 3. If I integrate x to the power n, I'll get x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So the coefficient that I'll need in the denominator, I'll get it from integration. So what I'll do is, I'll integrate both left hand side and right hand side. So I'll write integral of 1 plus x to the power n into dx. It will be integral of c0 dx, integral of c1x dx, integral of c2x square dx, and then integral of cn x to the power n into dx. Now there are two ways. Either I can use indefinite integral, then I have to use plus c, or I can put the limits. So I'll start with 0, and then for the upper limit, I just need coefficient, sum of the coefficient, not x. So for x, I need to put the value as 1. So I'll integrate it from 0 to 1. So if I'll integrate this left hand side, I'll get 1 plus x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Starting from 0 to 1, it'll be c0x from 0 to 1, c1x square upon 2, 0 to 1, c2x cube upon 3, 0 to 1, and then cn x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 from 0 to 1. So if I'll put the limit, so if I'll put upper limit, I'll get 2 to the power n plus 1, and then if I'll put lower limit, I'll get 1. So it'll be 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1. So here I'll get c0 into 1, here I'll get c1 upon 2 into 1, c2 upon 3 into 1, and then cn upon n plus 1. So answer to this series is simply 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1. Now I need to find sum of this series, which is c0 upon 1 into 2, c1 upon 2 into 3, cn upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. Now as the coefficients are in the denominator, I know I need to integrate, right? So I'll start with the basic series, which is 1 plus x to the power n, and this time I'm to write it in summation form. So value of r varies from 0 to n. I'll be ncr, and there'll be x to the power r. Now I'll integrate left hand side and right hand side. So if I'll integrate it, I'll get integral of 1 plus x to the power n into dx, and then it'll be integral of r varies from 0 to n, and then integral ncr into x to the power r into dr. Now I'll take lower limit as 0, and I'll still need upper limit to be variable. So I'll choose some variable. Maybe I'll say it is some variable, maybe y. So I'll write it as 1 plus x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 from 0 to y. It'll be summation r varies from 0 to n, and there'll be ncr x to the power r plus 1 upon r plus 1, and then again from 0 to y. So on the left hand side, I'll get 1 plus y to the power n plus 1, and then minus 1 upon n plus 1. And on the right hand side, I'll get this series, which is summation r varies from 0 to n, and there'll be ncr y to the power r plus 1 upon r plus 1. So now I have r plus 1. Now I need r plus 2 also. So I need to integrate it again. So I'll integrate it again. So I'll write integral of 1 plus y to the power n plus 1 minus 1 into dy upon n plus 1. And here I'll write summation r varies from 0 to n, and integral of ncr y to the power r plus 1 upon r plus 1 into dy, and I'll take my limits from 0 to 1, because here I need some of the coefficients. So I'll take the limits from 0 to 1. So if I'll integrate it here, so I'll take this 1 upon n plus 1 out. And then I'll have this integral which is from 0 to 1. 1 plus y to the power n plus 1 into dy. And then I'll have also this minus 1 upon n plus 1 integral of 0 to 1 into dy. And on the right hand side, I'll write this as summation. R varies from 0 to n, and here will be NCR upon r plus 1, and then integral of y to the power r plus 1 into dy from 0 to 1. So now I'll start integrating. So here I'll get 1 upon n plus 1, and here will be 1 plus y to the power n plus 2 upon n plus 2 from 0 to 1, and then minus 1 upon n plus 1 into y from 0 to 1, and here will be NCR upon r plus 1, y to the power r plus 2 upon r plus 2 summation from 0 to 1. So if I put the value, I'll get it as 1 upon n plus 1 n plus 2. So if I put upper limit, I'll get 2 to the power n plus 2, and then minus 1, and here I'll get minus 1 upon n plus 1, and here I'll get summation r varies from 0 to n NCR upon r plus 1 into r plus 2, which is the series that I'll need. So C0, 1, 2, C1, 2, 3, and Cn, n plus 1 and n plus 2. So answer to this series is this expression. So I'll simplify it also. So I'll take n plus 1 and n plus 2 common. So I can write it as 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 1, and then minus n minus 2. So it will be 2 to the power of n plus 2 minus n minus 3 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. So the result of this series is 2 to the power n plus 2 minus n minus 3 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2.
If you like the video, consider subscribing and sharing it with someone you know who might benefit from it. Also, the best way to navigate any topic is through a playlist. Simply go to the channel page, click playlist, and select the topic you wish to study.